Hi dear friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I have something quite interesting for you. I'm going to be trading using technical analysis, and I'll be using the help of the Parabolic SAR indicator and find good entry points on the market. I will work out on situations I understand, and I'll be using a 15-second time frame and opening trades up to 2 minutes, and I'll be starting with an initial deposit of $97 and try and hit my goal for today, which is around $15,000, and hopefully by the end of the video I'm able to hit this goal, and also you'll be able to understand how I work out several situations. And also I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. If you'd like to join, go under the description box. It has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and also don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. Let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So as you can see here, we have an upward movement, and at the moment the price is making a downwards pullback. At the same time, the graph hits the parabolic dash line. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade for 2 minutes for a rise, since the indicator makes it clear that the price has a good potential for a rise here. And you can see there is still a long way to go until the maximum point on the graph. At the same time, the new price minimum turns out to be higher than the previous one, and you can also see that previously the price showed a good growth and moved mainly with green candlesticks. So it's likely that in the nearest future the price will continue to move upwards on the outlined upward movement. Also here I'm using a 2-minute time because I'm taking into account that there may be a possible pullback down and we may get into the retracement zone, but as you can see I'm already watching this pullback on this graph. Then wait and see the end of this trade. This is pretty awesome. You can see the price made a good pullback down here, but then it began to move up and my trade closes above the entry point. Thus I got very good profit, and as you can see 2 minutes in this situation was quite enough for me. This indicator really gave me a good entry point, so I'm going to find more working situations. Here you can see that the price shows a good decrease. At the same time I can see a rebound from the support level and the price moves up. Here I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to a rise, since as you can see the parabolic dash is located under the graph. Also earlier you can see the price made a rebound from this zone and showed a good growth. At the same time I still have a long distance to the maximum point on the graph. All this makes it clear that the price has a good potential for a rise, and most likely that the price will move up in the near future. In this situation I use 2 minutes with the reserve. Let me watch this price and see how this trade ends. Well, this was pretty good. As you can see, the price makes a pullback down and then continues to move up. Thus our trade closes above the entry point, and here I made very good profit. So 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade. Let me continue and find more working situations. Here you can see that I have a confident downtrend. The indicator is located above the graph. In this situation I'm going to open the deal for a minute to go down, because as you can see the price has been moving mainly with red candlesticks lately, and at the same time the main price maximums on the graph are getting lower. All this tells me the price has a good downside potential and is likely to continue to move down in a downtrend. Let me wait and see the end of this trade. This is great, friends. You can see the price shows a decline, and here I made very good profit. In this situation 1 minute was perfect for me, and also you can see the indicator did not let me down and hit it at a very good entry point. Thus I was able to earn very good profit here once again. Let me find the next entry point. Here you can see the price is moving along the downtrend, and currently the price is moving down and already touches the indicator line. In this situation I'm going to open the deal for a minute to go down, since the indicator indicates that the price has a good downside potential. At the same time, as you can see, the main price maximums of the graph are getting lower. Also after the upward pullback, a red impulsive red candlestick appears on the graph and the price continues to move down. So it's likely that it will continue to move down in a downtrend in the near future. Then wait for the results. This is awesome. You can see the price continues to move down and I made very good profit. 1 minute was quite enough time for this. Thus you can see I have my first 1,000 as my deposit, which means that my initial amount has already increased more than 10 times here. Let me find more working situations. So here the price is moving in a downtrend, while at the moment the price makes a pullback up to the resistance level. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go down. Since the indicator indicates the price has a good downside potential. Also, I have a long distance until the last price minimum. Also, as I can see, there was a fade near the level earlier and then it broke through. As you can see, the price is touching it again and there is a reaction, and that is the price moves down. And as a rule in such situations, having touched the resistance level, the price continues to move along the trend. And in this situation, I have a downtrend, so it's likely that the price will continue to move down in the downtrend. Also here, I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price may once again reach the marked level and then show a decline. Let me wait for the end of the trade. This is quite good. You can see the price touches the resistance level again and then shows a decline. Thus my trade closes below the entry point, and here I made very good profit. As you can see, 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade, and this indicator did not let me down. It showed me a good entry point. Let me find more situations. So here you can see the price continues to move down from the marked level. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade for 2 minutes to go down again, since the indicator indicates the price has a good downside potential. And as you can see, there's still a long distance to the minimum point on the graph, and you can see that earlier a reaction came near the marked level and then the price began to move down. Also, after a slight breakout, you can see an impulsive red candlestick appeared on the graph, so it's likely that in the near future the price will continue to move down in the downtrend. Let me watch this graph and see the results. This is excellent. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario and shows a good decline. Here I got a confident plus, and as you can see, 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade. You can see I already have 4,000 on my deposit, so I'm confidently reaching my trading goal. Let me find more situations. As you can see, the price is moving in a downtrend and currently it's in a correction. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes to go up, because as you can see, the indicator is located under the graph. That is, I understand that the price has a good upside potential, and as you can see earlier, after the fade on the graph, the price started to move up. So it's likely that the price will continue to rise in the near future, and probably here we'll have a price reversal, and now the trend on the market will begin rising. Also in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes, taking into account that last time the candlesticks on the graph were quite short. So let me wait for the end of this trade. This is really great. You can see the price continues to move up, and here I made very good profit. And as you can see, the indicator in this situation predicted an excellent entry point, despite the fact that the trade turned out to be against the main downtrend. And also here I was able to earn and make very good profit, and 2 minutes was perfect for me. Let me find more situations. So here you can see that the price is moving in an uptrend and is currently in the correction zone. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade for 2 minutes to go down, since the points of the parabolic are located above the graph. That is, the indicator indicates that the price has a good downside potential. Also, as you can see, after a fairly strong rise, the price did not make a pullback down, and here I'm currently observing such a pullback on the chart. At the same time, you can see the last price maximums on the graph are getting lower. Therefore, I think that the price will still show some kind of decline and will probably continue to grow. In this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price may get into the retracement zone or there would be an increase in the price. But let me wait and see the end of this trade. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario and shows a good decline. Here you see I got a very confident plus, and as you can see, the indicator did not let me down again and hinted at a very great entry point. You can see that it helped me earn very good profit, and also I was able to choose the right time for this trade correctly. You can see I already have almost $17,000 on my deposit, so today's trading goal has been fulfilled. I'll fix this deposit and leave the market. So the trades today were quite interesting, interesting and quite good. I got very good profit and hit my goal. I got more than $15,000. I got $16,000, which is quite great. I hit my goal for today. You can be able to do it as well. As you saw, combining technical analysis with the Parabolic SAR indicator works well. You can be able to find similar situations as I did today, train as much as possible, gain more experience, and you're able to make very good profit in no time. If you have further questions concerning today's trade, you can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. So I left a link to my personal chat down below in the description box. Write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and I'll add you to this private chat. And also don't forget to support my channel. The only way you can support my channel is by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, subscribing down below to my channel, and also hitting the notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video that is posted. So until next time, good luck in your trades. Bye bye.